Hi, I'm Bill Hargrove with Heule Tool, and I'm here with Cutting Tool Engineering Magazine, and we're going to review some new Heule products and some old standby products. The first product that we're talking about today is the Heule Kofa tool. It's one of our most popular tools just because of the ease of use of it and some of the features that it's able to do, unlike just about anything else out there. You got cross holes into bores. The surface is not flat, but if it's most tools, it would give you a very irregular shape, and this tool will actually follow the contour of the surface without overcutting the high spots and undercutting the low spots. It can go through the tool or through the part, open up on the backside and deburr the holes as well and follow that contour. There's some new product out where we can just give you a small edge break, or we can actually change the insert and give you different diameter cutters now that are available from stock in Cincinnati. Another very popular tool line that Heule offers is back counterboring tools. We offer several different options depending on the production, the machine type that it's on, and the customer needs. One of the most popular standby production type tools is what we call the solo tool. We build these per application, very simple to use. It doesn't need any type of special holders or stop blocks on it. Just holding it in a chuck holder or a collet holder, just by changing spindle speeds will make the blade retract. Just these blades, these weights inside the head, when you change spindle speeds, will get pulled apart and actually will bring that blade in. So just by changing spindle speeds, you go through the hole at a fast RPM, go through, you slow down, the blade comes back out, you're able to make your cuts. It's very rigid at that point, you can do interruptions with it, and it's very fast to use that way. Another one of the more popular options out now is what we call the BSF tool, where this also is a back spot face tool. If you go through the hole, the blade, turn the spindle on and the blade will come out, make your cut, and when you come back out, you need through spindle coolant, and it'll actually will have the blade retract. This is a kind of a showpiece here. So as the coolant comes through the tool, it pushes that piston down and actually will close that blade up. It's very popular. There's many sizes from about 6.5 millimeter up to 20 millimeter, and these oftentimes are stock off the shelf in Cincinnati. So this is Heule's snap tools, and basically what these are for is front and back chamfering of holes that start anywhere from 2 millimeter through holes to no limit on how large we can go. Typically each tool will be selected for a certain size hole, and then we'll have several different options for what cutting blade that we want to use depending on your needs for the chamfer size. You can actually, the same tool, but actually do two different chamfers by what blade you're using. So if you wanted something just to deburr, or if you wanted the front and back chamfer large enough to where you can actually run a tap after that and it becomes burr free. There's no having to re-chamfer the back side of a tapped hole for you. It'll be complete right off the machine. We're showing the Heule Vex drilling line. So on top of the standard deburring system for chamfering front and back, we use the same chamfering system that we would use without the drills. And if you have the higher application where you want to save some time, and we put a high performance drill tip right on the front of our chamfering system. And with this combination, you can save tool change time and a lot of cycle time. These drills are also come from standard stock from 5 millimeter, and then the Vex S line, which this one is, from 5 millimeter up to 12 millimeter in diameter, and then beyond that from basically 11 millimeter if you need up to 17 millimeter. Heule offers their own design tool for those size holes. Front and back chamfering, we can build these as specials. We can add features like fixed pocket inserts on top to create different chamfers on the top than what you might use on the back. So we can kind of design the tool around your needs. You can see on a part like this, we go through, we drill it, you get your nice chamfer on the top, but you also, you can look inside and there's chamfers all the way through on the back side as well. So again, an edge brake if you need, or if you need a large chamfer for tapping the hole later on, we can offer that as well.